The foldable phone market is heating up, and Google's latest entry, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, is right in the thick of it. This second-gen foldable from Google comes with a fresh design, more RAM, new displays, and an impressive array of AI features. But it's not without competition. Enter the OnePlus Open. Launched last year, the OnePlus Open might be a year old, but it still packs a punch with flagship specs and a sleek, lightweight design. So let's break down what makes each of these foldables tick and figure out which one stands out in today's foldable frenzy. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold and OnePlus Open are both masters of the fold, but they've taken different approaches. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold has slimmed down, shedding nearly an ounce of weight from its predecessor, tipping the scales at 257 grams. But the OnePlus Open is even lighter, weighing in at just 239 grams, making it the featherweight in this match. While the Pixel 9 Pro Fold wins in the thinness category, coming in at just 5.1mm when unfolded, it also offers better water resistance with an IPX8 rating. You can dunk this thing under 1.5 meters of water for up to 30 minutes, and it'll still work. The OnePlus Open, on the other hand, only has an IPX4 rating. Good for a splash, but don't go swimming with it. Both devices offer stunning OLED displays, but let's break it down. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold sports a 6.3-inch cover display with a variable refresh rate between 60 and 120 Hz, and an 8-inch internal screen with a similar 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate. The display shines with a peak brightness of 2,700 nits, making it one of the brightest on the market. On the other hand, OnePlus counters with a 6.31-inch cover display, a refresh rate of 10 to 120 Hz, and a slightly smaller 7.82-inch internal screen. While it offers a slight edge in pixel density over the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, its peak brightness isn't as high. Both devices provide fantastic displays, but the Pixel 9 Pro Fold's higher brightness might make it a better choice for outdoor use. Hinge design is crucial for foldables, and both are solid. But the Pixel 9 Pro Fold feels a tad more refined. However, the OnePlus Open edges ahead with a more durable build thanks to its ultra-lightweight aluminum frame. Both hinges are smooth, but the OnePlus Open has a slight edge in longevity. Under the hood, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is powered by Google's Tensor G4 chip paired with 16GB of RAM. It's a beast for AI tasks, making everything from voice recognition to image processing buttery smooth. Meanwhile, the OnePlus Open runs on last year's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, still a top-tier performer but a generation behind. It's fast, no doubt, but the Pixel feels more future-proof. When it comes to multitasking, OnePlus takes the crown with its Open Canvas feature. You can run 3 apps simultaneously, swipe between them effortlessly, and even pull up more apps in floating windows. Google's take on multitasking isn't bad, but OnePlus just nailed it with this one. Google has always been the king of smartphone photography, and the Pixel 9 Pro Fold doesn't disappoint. With a 48-megapixel main camera, a 10.5-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10.8-megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, it's got all the hardware. Plus, all of Google's AI tricks, like Night Sight, Magic Eraser, the new Add Me, and Made You Look feature, make it a photography powerhouse. The OnePlus Open isn't far behind. It packs a 48-megapixel main camera, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 64-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. On paper, it's got better numbers, but the real-world performance shows Google's processing smarts give it an edge. OnePlus might have the hardware, but Pixel's software magic makes a noticeable difference. Here's where the Pixel 9 Pro Fold pulls ahead significantly. Google promises 7 years of Android OS updates and security patches. That's almost unheard of in the smartphone world. OnePlus offers 4 years of OS updates and 5 years of security patches. Still good, but not Pixel-level good. AI is another area where the Pixel shines. It comes with Gemini, Google's new AI assistant, which offers deep system integration. You've also got AI-driven apps like Pixel Screenshots and Pixel Studio, which take advantage of Google's machine learning prowess. OnePlus doesn't have anything comparable out of the box, though you can always download third-party AI apps if that's your thing. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold has a 4,650 mAh battery, while the OnePlus Open comes with a slightly larger 4805 mAh cell. Battery life on both is solid, easily lasting a full day, but when it's time to charge, OnePlus has a clear advantage. It supports 67-watt fast charging and even includes the charger in the box. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold maxes out at 45 watt, and you'll have to buy the charger separately. Price is often the deciding factor. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold starts at $1,799 for the 256GB model, while the OnePlus Open is priced at $1,700 for the 512GB variant. Although the OnePlus Open offers a lower starting price and a larger battery, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold justifies its higher cost with its superior AI integration, longer software support, and better water resistance. So, there you have it. Two foldables, each with its own set of strengths. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold impresses with its design, AI capabilities, and camera system, making it the go-to choice for those who want a phone that's future-proof and packed with features. The OnePlus Open, on the other hand, excels in multitasking, battery life, and value for money, especially if you're looking for the best deal without compromising too much on specs. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.